What are we doing?
Wasting time. I have no idea what this is.
It's 6:30 and we have nothing else to do.
Present.
Ready, perform. So I don't know the splits. I won't be able to get that. High kicks. Hey, you too.
What?
Say hi.
We are getting dressed. It is 5:18.
Does that have pants on?
Yes. Spandex on.
A trip to Canada wouldn't be complete without a stop at Tim Hortons.
You see it? Kind
Do you
of.
see it?
Why did
Gotta
you
use
just
a
say?
blanket to us an hour.
Oh my gosh.
I know it hurt my hand.
Can I have
Look
some?
at that. Oh, that hurt. I use my blanket to open it.
Yeah, you're on the.
You're spitting yourself.
No.
I don't know.
No, we wait. It's way too early to go to the airport.
What time are you supposed to be at the airport?
6.
I don't have any morning straight.
What'd you get?
Well, this is a hash brown.
Duh.
Oh, do you want to?
No.
Yeah. Somebody got an English muffin with bacon.
Natalie.
Somebody got an everything bagel with sausage and egg.
What?
Hey, good morning.
Hi, morning.
You didn't even look at me.
I did look at you. The camera might not have seen it though.
Oh.
Can you
Morning.
see yourself?
I am on the little screen, yeah. Can you see yourself?
Yep. How rude. We just ordered.
Darling. Dear darling.
What do you have to say?
Tell your dad to keep his hands off my air hole. Tony?
Snack time.
As you can see, some of us have made a wardrobe change because it's what?
Really hot out.
And humid. Yeah.
I don't know.
Okay.
We're on our way. We're off the plane and in the air conditioning.
Yeah. Sweaty. Very sweaty.
We are here. Now we're just checking in.
Alright, Macy, first impressions. Oh, it's okay. What do you think?
The food's good.
It is really good already. What'd you get?
I don't know. French fries.
Yeah, they have some pretty good looking dessert. I got shrimp and Mexican rice and some cake thingy. What'd you get, Natalie?
This is our second round.
Yeah. What do you think of the resort so far?
It's good. We're not even checked in yet.
I know, it's just the food is so good. We're hungry though, so I bet cardboard would taste good.
Okay, so due to some weather issues, our resort room, it either has people staying in it or something that we can't.
They didn't have enough of our rooms.
Okay, anyways, they gave us this fancy room.
There's only 4 of these in the whole resort. Okay.
They're all a little different.
This is like
It is called the chairman's suite.
Oh, anyway, like this is all like.
there's one more over there, but then this is like whole part.
Come on in.
So
This is the main lounging area.
There's a back door.
There is.
There's a kitchen.
What do you think of this place, huh?
It's awesome. We're gonna
Hey,
start.
did you tell them this is like the only room like this in the whole
There's
resort?
4.
No.
No.
There's 4 similar, but this is the best one.
Never mind. We have.
Holy cow.
No. Jeepers. Cats.
Okay.
Okay.
This is the suite or the master. There's a bathtub, 2 counters, a closet,
Oh, closet. White bath.
the toilet.
Shower. Oh, it's 2 waterfalls.
Holy cow.
Oh, ginormous tub. Okay, let's go to the next room.
Wait, we gotta do the bed test, guys. We gotta make it like Karen and Nate.
Maybe they're on.
Okay. No.
Oh
Okay.
yeah, it's actually really comfy.
And then we have our own pool table and this area, a gigantic dining table.
We'll have to go.
And then, oh, we forgot this over here. This room, there's a hallway. And the hallway, there's a closet and towels. There's a guest bathroom. This is the attached, that's the other room.
Yep, you could get a room that would attach to this.
Okay, so then this is a mini bar.
Here, come show them. Come around. Mini fridge.
Hey, check that out. Go back here.
Oh, well, this is cool.
This is, holy,
kitchen?
a kitchen.
Okay, well,
There's somebody. There's
can
our
you go in
luggage.
here?
That's like a back door.
What?
Oh,
If you peek around the corner, it's like a back door.
Oh. That's,
okay, now let's go to our room. Our room.
we have 2 queen size beds. I think those are queen.
Pull out little
Sofa.
couch that somebody can sleep on.
2 couches.
Can
Or
we get
chairs.
out here?
No, we can't show them yet. We
that
gotta
is
go out the
cool.
best entry. Okay, that's a cool door. A bathtub,
We also have
a giant
pretty
shower,
much the same
toilet.
bathroom.
This is as good as the master
Our
bath.
bags have
Oh,
Yes.
look at this. They have.
change.
Oh, that didn't work. It's fine. Yeah, do the bed test in here.
That's the same. Yeah, it's about the same. That
Okay.
one's actually a little bouncier.
And now,
For the best part.
Oh my gosh, no kidding.
This is insane, to be honest. Like, the room's insane, but then you got here. These, I think, are electric. They're electric.
Macy, it's going on its
Video
own.
up. It's electric.
Oh.
Use it the yank, like, pull it.
then we have this gigantic balcony. This is like the whole resort. Oh, we have our own giant hot tub too.
What?
This is the resort. And then there's a small water park, and then on the other side of that building is a bigger one. And then we have more seating area, another giant table. We are. It's too hot for me.
No. We can watch the shows at night from here. That actually is really comfy.
It is. I sleep on it.
We can watch the shows or whatever they're doing, performing at the night. At the night. During night. Oh my gosh, I can't. Really nice. I know, it's giant. Oh.
Oh yeah.
See the real test. Oh, yes.
How do you even get up there? Just kidding.
I know, this is so crazy.
Guys, this is scary how big it is.
We're really excited for the sand
Look at
volleyball
those waves out there.
out there. Yeah, that's so cool.
These
But we
volleyballs
can't
on
leave
the
our
way.
room
Yes.
yet because our keys are on their wristbands
But
and they're
not
broken.
They're not like, no, they're
No,
not
no.
broken, they're just not set up yet.
Yeah, so we can't leave the.
We can't leave the room, but someone has to stay here to get us back in.
Yeah, and now we're just stuck in here. But I mean, where's a better place to be stuck? Already chilling over there.
morning number one. Oh, these girls.
kind of are.
I want to introduce them to Mexico's sunrise. Was about 15-20 minutes ago. There's Tony out there. Look at these girls. Did you sleep so good? I already brought them juice boxes.
Do you hear my straw?
What's your juice box? Here's yours, Macy.
What do you get for breakfast?
An omelet and some fresh fruit, some fun cheeses and some capers.
I got stuff.
Brekkie.
Okay.
I got a bunch of fruit and bacon and hash browns.
Is that the thickest slice of French toast you've ever seen?
Yes.
Do you like this buffet? Yes. The fruit was really good. I have to go back and get some more. Yeah.
Weirdo. She's such a weirdo.
Loves it. I love seeing sass from players. You get hype about something.
Giant Mexican flag.
Wasn't that good? I only went once with you. It's pretty lazy.
Yes, super slow. How was that ice cream?
Good. All right, let's grab.
No. We're gonna go move to a new spot.
Yep. Hopefully, in more of sun.
Yes.
Hey girl, what's up? What's up? Cancun at the finest.
They're playing what? Aqua volleyball.
Aqua ball.
This water volleyball. It's not they, it's just Dad now.
The loser.
Because Natalie's a dud. And Macy and I are waiting for our sunscreen, and Aaliyah's reading because she played sand volleyball a lot.
The losing team has to do a belly flop.
We're hoping Dad loses, so he has to do a belly flop. That'd be our second one today. He lost again. Time for another belly flop.
I started on that team and put me in.
Oh, come on. Be a good sport. Show them how it's done, babe. Belly flop, belly flop, belly flop, belly flop. Woo! Woohoo! Yes! Good job! Woohoo! Oh yeah!
Oh gosh.
What day is it?
Thursday.
Thursday.
Oh, we're on 3.
Oh, not us.
I know. Is this right?
Thursday it is. He doesn't even give me a camera look.
Good there?
Super toy.
Now I can see myself in the camera.
Yep. It's Italian, I think.
I want some pasta.
I think it's Italian. I don't really know. We ate there for lunch.
So noisy.
Yesterday or the other day or something. So it was good.
It would be like a cook.
This is my kind of salad. The green to meat ratio is perfect.
Take two.
Oh, it's in my armpit.
No.
Wait, it was in my elbow, not my armpit. Hurry up, go.
Oh, you did.
Oh,
Almost.
Sit in my lap.
I can't believe I got it the first time.
You know, I wish.
That was so funny. You're like shooting it down. You need to like arch it.
More high on it.
Yeah, shoot for an Natalie's cup.
I'll try a bite of your steak there, Natters. I'm gonna try my bite of meatball. You got anything in my teeth?
Here, use a piece of Parmesan for a toothpick.
For real? I don't have anything in my teeth?
I don't see it.
I'm just kidding. That was delicious, wasn't it?
That was a
Saturday. It's a sad day. We're screening up.
Yep. What?
We're not too burnt.
Last day, we have like 3 hours. Just kidding, it's more than next week. Maybe we can go see breakfast and swim and shower. Shower and then what are we doing after that? Leaving, eat lunch. Lunch. We're gonna eat lunch and breakfast. And I said breakfast.
No. Then it's adios amigos.
Yeah,
Right?
it is. On the plane,
Oh my gosh, did you see that?
and we're waiting to leave.
Crossy Road for the loss.